Hey everyone, how are you all? I welcome you to an interesting video where we are going to show you how to be a little more creative. Using the leaf, you have to create an owl and make the stars and the moon. Now here with the help of the Fevicol, just spread the Fevicol all together and paste the leaves like this in this manner and convert it into the form of a peacock, making it look like this. Beautiful enough. Now you have to get the cutouts of your hand in this manner and grab them up into the form of a face mask. Decorate it further with the help of different leaves around of different shades and make it look like this. Now here you have to make a pretty girl with the help of the leaves around. Make the dresses and all and make this little fairy look like this. Make the eyes as if it is closing and then the blushes around. Keep on proceeding. Here you have to get leaf crumbs, you have to paste it along the sides, then you have to make an ant in this manner. Make the antennas like this and this is gonna look absolutely pretty. Decorate the scenery further and make it a little realistic. Now here what you have to do, you have to grab a leaf like this and then paste the leaves around into the form of a honey bee in this manner. Make the antennas and put a heart in between. Just make the clouds around. Now here you have to get a leaf, then make the hands like this and then in this manner you have to make it look like this. Make it in this manner and this is gonna look absolutely pretty. Further here what we are gonna do here, you just have to get a girl and then do it in this manner. Further you have to get the leaves and pretty further you have to make it in this manner. Now here you have to get a leaf and then with the help of Fevicol you need to paste it in this manner. Now here you have to get the leaves attached in this way. Make it into the form of trees like this and this is gonna look absolutely pretty. Further here again with the help of these dried leaves and some sticks around you have to make something look like this. Make the tail and all and make it look like this. This is pretty enough. Let's proceed to our next item. Here you have to make the lovely cute butterflies around with the help of these leaves of this shape. This is gonna look absolutely pretty. Make the grasses and make the scenery look beautiful. Now here as well you have to decorate it in this manner with the help of the leaves. Arrange them further in this way. Now get a red leaf in this way and then make the face of a little Red Riding Hood and then you have to make the boots around in this manner and then you have to get the leaves pasted and attached them in this way. This is gonna look pretty. Now here you have to get the eyes, make it into this form and further you have to make the legs like this and then do it in this form. This is gonna look pretty enough, isn't it? Keep on proceeding. Now you have to get a leaf and then you have to attach them together in this way and then you have to make the eyes around in this manner and this is gonna look absolutely pretty. Now just make the beak and all and then decorate the scenery further. Here what we have to do, you have to get the leaves and arrange them in a pattern like this to make it in this manner. I hope you guys have enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching our video.